Back up your nose little from the camera. Please, me I beg you. Too much nose that for me alone. Me feel like me I suffocate.
What did you say?
Me say back up your nose from out of the camera. Your nose, too much nose. But you're blessed, man. You have nose and you have mouth. No, you're more than me. You're more too cute. Too cute. Yeah, I feel shake up. You're brave, you know. You throw the whole of that from my vision. You know, so them people on TikTok out them are going to strain my eye. Them are going to strain my eye. They are going to. I'm not trouble people, you know. I mean, I like nobody not trouble me. Why did I click on it though? I said the nose fat. The nose fat like Rosalie Bar.